Good morning everyone, my name is Tan Yumin and my metric number is 292292. The convention center that I chose is Penang Waterfront Convention Center. First, we will move to the introduction part. Penang Waterfront Convention Center is the Northern Malaysia's largest exhibition and convention center. It's about 10,443 square meters. In this convention center, it allows indoor and outdoor event space just like other convention center also. From Google, we can see the Penang Waterfront Convention Center is operate from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. It's just officially opened in October 2025. This convention center is designed to accommodate up to 10,000 guests. It's catering a variety of events. It offers 10 versatile room spaces such as meeting room, banquet, and others. And it can up to 2,900 parking bays. This convention center is strategically located in the heart of Penang, which offers seamless accessibility from the Penang Bridge, Penang International Airport, and Georgetown. Next, we move to the infrastructure they're having in the Penang Waterfront Convention Center. As you can see in the slide, the first one is large kitchen. It's used to prepare the food. So the second one is Lee Grand Roof Terrace. Can divide into 3 Lee Petit Roof, which is 3 smaller spaces from the Lee Grand Roof Terrace. Then it also has 19 meeting rooms, 5 halls. The halls can be used to help out the conference, concert, or also the banquets. It can be divided or it can be combined if the guests want the more larger spaces. Then it also has pre-function area. It's used to the guest arrival registration and also check-in, and can be used to networking and social interaction. It can be used also for the coffee break, refreshment, and live snack, and also the event branding and displays. The last one is view of the Penang Bridge. So it's a highlight of this convention center as you book the area to make an event and the guests can enjoy the view of the Penang Bridge. So for the infrastructure capacity also, theater style seating can accommodate up to 8,000. The banquet seating can accommodate up to 5,500. Then the parking bays, just like the mentioned before, can up to 2,900. Then we move to the technology they're having in the Penang Waterfront Convention Center. The first one is to offer hybrid conferencing facility, meaning it supports both physical events and remote or digital participations. It's useful for international conference, hybrid meetings, and also the webinars. The second one is equipped with LED walls and digital signage. It enables dynamic display presentation, large-scale visuals, branding, or multimedia during the events. The third one is supports advanced sound, lighting, and stage system for concert, performance, and also the large events. It's indicating a full-fledged audiovisual and stage production capability. For the sustainability practice that having in Penang Waterfront Convention Center, the first one is marketing material mentioned that many of its buildings have green commitment and have an international green certification. So in this statement, we believe that the building of the PWCC is also using the material that is green to the environment. So the second one is design planning course related to PWCC. The package selection workshop for PWCC consider use of insulating glass unit IGU with low heat coating. Low E glass helps reduce the heat gain or loss, improve thermal insulation, and thus reduce energy needed for air conditioning or the lighting. Then the fact that PWCC will be the part of a mixed-use development with proximity to residents, hotel, retail, waterfront, promenade, and future, the public transit LRT station is referenced in the master plan. It suggests a design philosophy oriented toward urban integration and reduce travel needs. So this can indirectly support sustainability through reduce the reliance on private vehicles, walkability, and lower transportation carbon footprint for visitors. Now we move to the impact of Penang Waterfront Convention Center's activities to the society. For the economic and MICE sector impact, the projection report by Bernama estimate PWCC could attract 30,000 delegates in its inaugural year and generate about 55.5 million ringgit to Penang's economy. The PWCC presents transferred Penang's MICE offering, which could increase the hotel occupancy, F&B, and transport demand, and boost local suppliers and event SME. Well, for the social and economic benefits, it hosting international and regional conferences such as the Water Tech Asia Green Summit Education and Tax Exposure. It will bring the knowledge transfer, networking opportunity, and also the visibility to the local university, industry associations, and SMEs. The Penang Green Summit 2025 taking place at PWCC is an example where local stakeholders can access policy and technology dialogues. So you can see from the slide is poster. The last one is about the employment and local business exchange. So with having a new PWCC, besides from that is with a new convention centers, it can create direct and indirect jobs for the residents as well as opportunity for local vendors and contractors, because when they're having an event they must need the human labor, so this will create the opportunity for them to find a job. As you can see here is from the TikTok and is finding the crew for helping in the events. That's all from me. Thank you.